Hello, welcome to another lesson. So in this lecture we are going to be learning how to insert our components into an assembly. So to start, let's go back into that new assembly. Click on the assembly and click OK. So now, like I said in the previous lesson, you get this dialog box on the left side. So it's asking you to insert your part into the assembly. So we're just gonna click this browse and browse to the file location where you have your check valve project saved. So the first thing we want to do is you always want to grab the main model where you are going to mate all your extra pieces to. In this case, we have the body. So we're going to click on the valve body and click open. So now you see the valve body is showing, and I can click anywhere on the screen and it's going to fully mate it here on the screen, or I can click the check and it mates it. So we'll do that. So now our main body has been made, which means it's fully constrained to the origin point and I can't move it anywhere. If I click and try to move it, I can't move it. I can only spin it around. And you always want to have your part, the first one, the first main part, you always want to click that check just to mate it. And if you want to unmate it, you can right click and click float. And when you click float, now you can move it around. But it's always best to mate it. So I'm going to rehide it. So browse the body, click the check to fully mate it. So now once that's fully made, so now we need to bring all the other parts in. So we're going to insert components, browse, then we want to bring the bolt in. We'll click the bolt open. We'll just click somewhere here, put it there. We'll go back, insert, browse, insert components, browse the cover, open, and we want to put that somewhere over there. And we're gonna go back to insert components, browse, discs, open. We want to put the discs over there. Insert, browse, gasket, open, and we want to put the gasket. So we pretty much putting all the parts in. So just make sure you insert your component and put them somewhere in the screen. So the last one is insert, browse, and the spring, open, and we want to put the spring over there. So once now we have all our parts in, and in the next lecture we are going to talk about how to start mating all these parts together. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.